nice big sea. Just thought it'd be nice to get out for 10 minutes, half an hour, bit of a break from the workshop, see what we can find. A few people out, like looking for pyrites and stuff by the looks of it. But I'm going to just see if we can find some nice things. But yeah, just gonna have a look. So yeah, long foot journey. Just found some wolf. Be careful. A little bit windy. So yeah, I've found a few flatstone. One I definitely know is a flatstone, which is this one here. And then I've got this one here. I'm not a bit unsure about that one. Not too sure, but we'll set the tripod up and get them whacked down. I'll wear my goggles this time. Safety first. But yeah, I think the rain's coming in. Looks like the rain's gonna hit, especially from that I don't know what the wind direction's doing, southwesterlies I think. But anyway, yeah, let's whack them down and see what we've got. One. Nice little Pro Microceros, James. Let's give this bad boy a whack. You're alright. You're alright.
Just found anything?
Got a few little tiny ones.
Oh wow! That's a really good one actually.
Cheers. A few little ones. This bad boy. I think this is a Yellowstone, I think. So just found this one here. It looks like a little stellari, but it might have some in it. Let's give it a thwack. Yeah, just a stellari. Looks like it has got an ammonite. No, well, it used to have an ammonite in the middle. Stellari, that one. It's just full of crystal. Sometimes you can get an ammonite in the middle of them. It's quite nice. But yeah, always worth a whack. And there was an ammonite in this one here as well. The biggest stellari. It's better. Right, anyway, I'm gonna crack on. I've just found this rock as well. Just walking along, and some signs of ammonites on it as well. I know you can get some nice stuff in this. It's very hit or miss. Hey! But yeah, I'll give it a whack. See if we can get out of it. Let's have a look. So we have got some little tiny ones there. There's not quite a lot in. tiny one. Let's give that another whack. Oh, look at that. That's nice. Alright, let's give it another whack. Oh, that's nice. Well, puffy, I think. Tiny one. Something to prep in the workshop. It's really weird, this stuff's got no bedding plane, so it's kind of like hit and hope really, whether it's going to pop. Seems a bit so what we've got here, those two nice bits and that bit. Got another whack. We're carrying so much back. The tiny ones. Tiny ones. I'll take them. Tiny one. Tiny. Give us a dance. Nice one. Just spotted this one. A little bit of woodstone. You can see some ammonites there, so it might have some ammonites in this section. It's not much rock really, but we'll give it a whack anyway. See what we've got. So what you've got there are, so you've got the piece of wood, but then you've got all these bivalves growing on it as well, which shows that it was floating out at sea. It's also got some ammonites there as well, so I'm going to carry on whacking this down. Sometimes you get ammonites nicely washed up against it. Not on that piece. Just keep giving it a whack. Hello, doggy! It's nice. It's that one that was on the end. One nice one. Terrible quality as well, so I'm not that fussed about taking it because it would just dry out and crack. So I'm not that, I don't want it. Do you know what I mean? I'm not worried about smashing it up. It's not like that one there's going to be gorgeous. That one, nice little one sticking out. Yeah, happy with that. There's a brachiopods and stuff. Not really a bivalve person. I'm a battery out. So back in car. That's quite a nice little trip out. Got a few. Oh, balls. Got my memory card. Right, thanks for watching. That was a nice successful little trip down the beach. You know, didn't find anything sort of like mind-blowing, but it's still got some beautiful little ammonite, so I'm quite happy with that. And yeah, sometimes, you know, sometimes you find these amazing looking rocks that have got potential to have some awesome stuff in, and I know, you know, I've hit them down before and found some amazing ammonites in them, and you get a big bit like that, a big bit of that flat stone, and you whack it down and you get like 1 prom out of it. So but yeah, that's how it goes. That's why we come back, you know, all the time. But yeah, it's been good. I've enjoyed it. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe as well if you're not already. I think something like 70% of people that watch this channel aren't subscribed. It really helps me out. It really helps the channel grow. You know, the more people subscribe and like, the more it gets shared around by the famous YouTube algorithm. So yeah, help me out. Beware of wolves and dancing people on the beach. But yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna go. I've got to go and pick the kids up.